have patience. There is my sun-dried tomato basil pesto that I made. Sun-dried tomatoes with basil, olive oil, pecorino romano, parmigiano reggiano, olive oil, and then I mix it. I grind it up all together, and it comes out nice and chunky. And then you just add a little more olive oil if you need to. EVOO. Then I use Barilla pasta because that's I love Barilla, and I decided to go with the ziti. As you can see, I had no patience. My water should have boiled more, but I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna put the salt in now and do it. Fox says 10 to 11 minutes. I don't follow the directions, but I did put the timer in. We're in the kitchen and we're talking, just so I don't forget. But I do stir it, of course. I do a couple times to stir it. You should always stir your pot so it doesn't stick. But it came out good, and I'll show you. But I usually just go by the texture, and I do a taste test. But this is a really good one, and it's a really good basil pesto for the red one. I usually do the green one too.
She's such
But it is yummy, and it's
It looks this big, you know? Like, that's not a high.